A sudden drop in your phone battery below 20 can trigger a wave of panic. But what if the power bank you rely on is secretly sabotaging your device? Many users are unaware of the lurking dangers of that power bank in their bag. You think you're charging safely, but you could be inviting disaster. Imagine this: you're at a coffee shop scrolling through your phone and you plug in a cheap power bank. It feels secure, but what's really happening? That low-cost device might be sending unstable voltage into your phone, risking permanent damage to its battery. Warning signs are often ignored, like that slight warmth from your phone or unexpected shutdowns. These aren't just minor annoyances, they're urgent red flags. If you keep dismissing them, you could face a hefty repair bill or worse, total device failure. Consider this: you've invested in the latest smartphone, yet you're trusting it to a power bank that costs less than your morning coffee. It seems harmless, but each charge with that low-quality power bank is a dangerous gamble with your device's lifespan. Think about your friend who's always borrowing chargers and struggling with battery life. Their issues could be tied to those same cheap power banks. They may be charging, but at what cost? This is just an isolated problem, it's widespread. Countless users are unknowingly harming their devices, believing they're safe. But there's a straightforward solution: investing in a quality power bank can be a game changer. Look for one that regulates voltage and prevents dangerous spikes. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your device is protected and you can charge without worry. So, what's the takeaway? Before you reach for a power bank, ask yourself, is it cheap? Is it reliable? Your device's life might depend on that choice. Remember, not all power banks are created equal. Your device deserves better. Have you ever thought that your trusty power bank could be quietly harming your devices? It might sound surprising, but many people unknowingly put their gadgets at risk every day. You might assume that if it charges, everything's fine. However, low-quality power banks could be the hidden threat to your device's lifespan. Imagine this: you're out and about, your phone is running low on battery, and you grab that cheap power bank from your drawer. You plug it in, and for a moment everything seems okay. But behind the scenes, something dangerous is happening. Many don't realize that these low-quality power banks can cause serious damage. It's not just about providing power, it's about how that power is delivered. Inconsistent voltage and current can lead to overheating. Have you ever noticed your phone getting warm while charging? That's more than just a minor annoyance, it could actually harm your battery. Think about the frustration when your unreliable phone suddenly starts dying on you. And what about those cheaper cables that often come with low-quality power banks? Together, they create a ticking time bomb. Poor quality cables can cause shorts, affecting not just your phone but potentially leading to other devices malfunctioning. You could be just one charge away from a major failure. It gets worse when you consider the actual components inside these power banks. Many don't meet safety standards, meaning you could be using a device filled with cheap materials that could fail at any moment. It's unsettling to think your device is at risk just to save a few bucks. Picture this: you're on a trip. Not only are you left without a way to charge your devices, but you also risk losing data or, even worse, having a device that no longer functions. It's not just about power, it's about what's truly at stake. So what can you do? The answer is simpler than you think. Look for reputable brands. Yes, that might mean spending a bit more, but consider it an investment in your device's future.